Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a CD cover with the help of Canva. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Canva website. After that, just head over here to the home option and then just type in CD cover. And after that you will find many kind of templates regarding to CD covers. So let's just I'll select this one here, customize, and after you click on customize, you can like customize your desired template as you like in any way possible on Canva. So the first thing that you need to do in order to change is like select the elements that you want to like add or remove. So that's it with the video guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.